channel. We're out here today, Piedmont Dragway. I did not bring my car. I'm out here hanging out with Carl. We done a video on his car, it's about a year and a half ago now. And he had an engine failure and he redid everything, finally got everything back together. So he's out here today. He just got this thing off the dyno. It made some good power. And so they're gonna make some passes today. There's a free entry 28x10 race happening. He may jump in that too if the car is running good, but he's just using this as a test session. But check this clean car out. Y'all make sure to go to turbojohnracing.com to pick up some of my t-shirts. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Carl, tell me about the car.
Like I said, we bought it as a V6 running car, drove it home and cut it up. Small block Chevrolet, 396 cubic inch, aluminum block now. Still got the cast 106 turbo. And probably gonna run out of injector today.
Oh no, what injectors you got?
The Billet 500s.
Billet 500s, oh yeah, there's a good chance. You gonna supplement?
Yes, I will. Holley tells me about 32 pounds I'm gonna be out of injector.
Right.
Table turns white.
Yeah, looking at that fuel table, man, this thing's awesome. I know it's been down for about a year and a half.
Yeah.
It bloated up. Last time we were at Galot doing the private testing, and
walked away with the intake and head.
It destroyed everything. And so he had to basically start back from scratch with the motor. And it's been moving, and we thought it was going to be together a lot sooner, but they run into issues like anything when you're doing a custom build. It's like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and it's just never ending. You know, it's just, okay, well, I got to do this. And I remember when you were going through it, you were like, I got to order parts every day, and I don't and I got to wait 2 days to get them.
You work on it an hour, wait 3 days.
So it has come back together, and it is sounding strong, and it is looking good. It's got that cast 106 turbo. That thing might be for sale too, hadn't it? You gonna sell that 106? How much you want for it?
Upgrade, $1,500.
So $1,500. It's got a what, 150 or 132 housing on it?
150 housing.
150 housing on it. So that thing's for sale if anybody wants to hit him up or get with me, and I can get you his contact information. It's fresh back from Jose too.
Yes.
So he's going to end up going with some type of ball bearing turbo, something that will spool up a little bit faster. These cars are running like a champ. He's got this thing, it's running good. HED does all his machine work. Lyle and Pete over there. I think Pete built the whole engine this time. So you can tell, like he said, he's got an aluminum block, aluminum heads. This is an 18-degree motor. He thinks he's probably going to be out of injector. So he'll probably end up, there's a couple ways you can supplement it. A lot of people will put injectors in the pipe here. Some people will put the spray bar on it under the elbow. That's what I've done and had really good luck with it. But this thing is awesome. The name of the car, Oreo. Sweet, sweet, sweet ride. So Carl, you already got the tune-up in it?
Yep.
What are you predicting if it goes down first pass?
480s.
480s. He's got a good lazy tune-up in it. Now the Class C normally runs this in as small block boost, no time, Carolina no time. And this is Carolina no time Fundy Sunday since we got rained out on Saturday. So he is excited. I'm sure he's a little nervous.
Yep, it's been a while.
It's been a little while since he's let go of that trans brake button. I'm so glad he made it back out. That's awesome, awesome, awesome.
Mustang
this is his transmission cooler setup. I need to do me one of these too. And it just plugs right in. All right, that was a good pass there. Carl just got back. Fellas pushing him back. That looked decent. 482. Woo! You caught it. Yeah, that's
143.
Oh, that's a dude. Yeah, oh yeah, he let off of it early. 127, 60 foot. Still not stellar to the 60. You still, I mean, you ain't got it. You ain't hitting it hard. First pass with his new combination. Well, first full pass, which is still wasn't a full pass. You let off right before the finish line. So he made some adjustments and tried to turn it up a little bit. We're going to see if he can get a win and go on to the next round. Picking up the win.
Picking up the win, but
that's a mile per hour.
37, 60 foot. And I mean, I had it turned up, but unless it was on the back tire, I hadn't seen it.
I don't know. He got it in slow motion. Brandon got it in slow motion, so we can look at it and see. That was a good pass. It looked strong. Good, I mean, that's a very good mile per hour.
Good method run.
I'm gonna say the mile per hour is right, and the ET might be inaccurate. Good pass. Well, he's in between rounds. Made it second round. All right, Carl got the win. Boom, yow. Good pass. Look good.
Way rich, 3-1.
It went richer? Dang, and he took out 10%.
Well, I went up to I went to 28 pounds.
Oh, you went into a different cell, that's right. So he's gonna have to go in there and lean it out a little bit more. So it is way rich. So he is doing the cool down. He's off to round number 3. So he'll be going into round number 3 here. That means we're down. We were at 9 cars, so now we're down to 5. So that's good. 5 cars down to 5.
Holley. Corral down at the racetrack. Going up against Holley. Got back fellas on both sides, and we just took out the middle cone. The Oreo takes out the middle cone.
Thing in. It took it early. It pushed right pretty good though. And it looked like it was going to go fast.
It felt good.
Did it have better 60 foot?
No, 23.
A 23?
123.
That's better.
No, I had a 119 on the go.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I had a 016 light, baby.
016 light? Well, so Oreo's being loaded in. That's not a bad first outing, dude.
I ain't nothing out of my pocket.
That's right. Made a little bit of cash. They split the pot up. Always a good time. Always fun when more people can go home with money. There's some people that don't agree with that, but I think that's always the best scenario, always the best case. All right, guys, will y'all comment, like, and subscribe? We will see y'all soon. Later.